Over 1.7 million gold in 3 hours or 13 million per day. That is just the beginning of S3. How is that possible? Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. We are excited to share the gold rush in S3, Grand Line, and some exciting news about Packsify in today's video. Orange product. In the game's later stages, we will need increasing gold to level up our ships and stargaze. For example, a level 30 battleship will require 6 million gold. However, there's no need to worry as we can trade the orange product for a higher profit in S3. By doing so, we can easily earn over 10 million gold daily. The orange product is obtained from the first takeover reward of the Grand Line event, and it's crucial to act fast to acquire it. Once the gang has obtained it, R4 or R5 can assign it to a captured port, like the level 1 Bonfire Village port. Members can then trade this product for a higher profit, which is even more lucrative than the level 5 product. Accessing it doesn't require increasing the guild relation. When the gang abandons the port with the orange product, it will be returned to the gang and can be reassigned to another port. Additionally, the developer has added an offline auto trade feature and increased the trade cap to 200 for the monthly gold blessing subscription. With the offline auto trade, your flagship will automatically run the same auto trade route once more while you're offline. This subscription offers the best value in the game and costs around $26. It gets even cheaper when we buy them through Packsify, the sponsor of this video, by up to 28%. Packsify has a Discord community with over 10,000 members that saved players over $4.1 million over the last 3 years. Now, they're launching an app that makes getting discounts effortless. Join the waiting list to enjoy exclusive bonuses, including early bird discounts ranging from 10 to 35% and an additional 15% discount for the first 2 weeks. Test the app with 500 free credits, with no credit card required. Grant early access to the app 7 days before the public release. Discord giveaways boost, double the chances of winning big giveaways in May and June via the Packsify Discord server. Over 2,000 players joined already. Secure your spot before it's too late, and enjoy effortless discounts and bonuses from day one. Grand Line. When entering S3, the Grand Line can seem confusing at first. Grand Line is a new event, unlike season specialization, gang raid, saga, etc. It's a teamwork event where gang members work together to take over islands. Each cluster of islands consists of 1 large and 6 small islands, with 25 clusters. The clusters unlock after a countdown, allowing gangs to take them over. Taking over an island requires gang members to contribute to development points by completing 3 solo missions, incident quest, like killing sea monsters, and squad raid. The squad raid can be dull, and members must spend time helping each other complete the raid. Completing the solo mission will give us a chart fragment, which we can use to increase the development points. Only the fastest gang can occupy an island, while the rest will fail. If the gang fails, the fragments used will be returned to members, allowing them to take over another island faster than others. Rewards. There are 3 types of rewards in the Grand Line. First, the weekly Taken Over Island rewards. Take over 5 islands to earn 3 chests containing speed up and resources. Every member will receive them weekly. Second, the Discovery rewards. Taking over an island increases discovery points. The big island with the product has 1,000 points, the other big island has 500 points, and the small island has 200 points. By the end of the season, we can accumulate 8,000 points to gain the highest tier, level 20 rewards. Please note that the number of chests from this reward is 156. In other words, if your gang has more members than 156, some will not get it. R5 and R4 can distribute them by the end of the season. Third, the first takeover rewards. All gang members will gain this reward when a gang successfully takes over an island. The top 3 contributors to the development points will gain some additional speed up. Please note that each island has a different type of first takeover rewards. There are 3 types in general blessing, such as a 2% impact bonus treasure, like Conk and Speed Up, and orange products. R5 and R4 must make strategic decisions when taking over an island, including gauging the competition and the type of reward. We recommend securing at least 1 orange product for the gang to increase profitability. Blessing is crucial if your gang plans a fierce fight at Port 7. Treasure is appreciated if we don't have other objectives to meet. Which rewards do you prefer more? Please tell us in the comments. Alright, this is the end of today's sharing. Please subscribe and stay tuned. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.
Set sail on the exhilarating adventure in the world of pirates.